What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, don't forget to subscribe down below if you do enjoy today's video. I don't know if you guys can see back there, probably not, but we're at a freaking BMW dealership. I'm about to trade in the M5. Yeah, I'm thinking of just getting like a regular BMW now, maybe like a 528i or something. I don't know, maybe a 328i.
You can tell in your face that you're lying.
No, you can't. No, I'm just kidding guys. We came because this girl wants a car. Well, I wanted two, because obviously we want another car, we want a second car. We put too many miles on the M5. I'm not gonna tell you guys what we're getting yet. We're probably not even gonna get it today. I don't even know how I'm gonna upload this video. We came to see it, we saw it online. It was like an hour drive. We came to see it, check it out and everything. And I get a rough estimate of how payments and stuff would be, because this is our first, technically this is our first car actually being financed and stuff at a dealership. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. I don't even know what to expect. Oh, maybe we'll just get like a Kia or a Subi or a Honda. Who knows? Honda for a daily. Damn guys, look at this. That's crazy. Damn, should we get this one instead? Untouched. How you feeling?
Good.
Just nervous guys. We got it guys. So we just signed paperwork and stuff. They're actually gonna go wash the car right now, fill up with gas and everything, so kind of scared. It's crazy. I don't know what's going on. Damn, what is this? Oh, this isn't even an M car, bro. It looks hella aggressive. I'm pretty sure it's like the 440. Yep, 440i. This looks hella aggressive for just being a freaking 4 Series. Oh, I guess this looks way more aggressive. Damn, the grill's getting to me. I kind of like it now. Well, not like it, but I don't mind it at all. Oh, it's locked. You guys can see anything in there. It was manual. Carbon roof. Damn, bro. One day I just want to have a garage with every single car I want. Oh, look, this is one I was showing you guys earlier. Damn.
Only one seater.
This is crazy. It's only a 1-seater. Not even a 2-seater. I mean, not like this would need to be a 2-seater. X-Drive, X5. What is it though? It's a 40i. Pretty cool. X5. These are cool. I don't think I would get an X5 though. Damn, bro. Damn. I forgot what new car smells like. Look, bro. That's crazy. Like, what the heck? Who thought of this? X3M? Dude, how cool would it be to have an SUV? Oh, no, though. It's official, guys. Paperwork is done. I guess this is our paperwork now. We don't get physical paperwork. This is our paperwork. He helped us out. I'll keep these cards forever. This thing like this forever.
No, you don't need all of them.
Starbucks, everything.
Gave us a little gift. Cheers! And then I'm taking a water.
And I'm taking this cup.
No, you're not.
It doesn't even show me that right now. I don't know what I just did, guys.
My first car.
I'm kind of excited. I'm kind of scared. I don't know what we got ourselves into. Feels different. Kind of scary, you know. But excited. I know everything's gonna be okay though. I know you guys got me. I know you guys are gonna make me.
So we need more of those likes, more of those subscribers, more of those views so we can pay this car because, you know?
Hopefully you guys like the car. It's different, you know. But I think you guys are gonna like it. So excited! Oh my god. You guys ready? Dude, oh my god. I don't even know how to feel right now. We've been wanting an X5 for so long. My friend just got an X5 too. And as soon as we saw it, we're like, damn, like how cool would it be to have an X5? And it's crazy to be able to, I don't even know what to say. Alright guys, so it's about like 2 days later now. We're here at the house. Obviously you guys can see the M5 right here. But yeah guys, this is the new car. This is her car. It's our car, but this is more of her car. Once she starts driving, she's gonna be driving this. I'm still gonna be driving the M5 obviously. But yeah, this is it guys. It's an X5 50i all-wheel drive. This is honestly like a dream spec for us. Obviously we would like an X5M, but we can't afford an M5 and an X5M right now. So this would be like the next best thing. And honestly, it's like fully equipped, guys. If you guys would like a full car tour, we can do that for you guys. But just real quick, you know, it's a 2014 X5 M Sports. I believe it's LCI. It does have like the upgraded headlights. I believe it has LCI taillights. It's pretty much fully equipped. Like I said, it is M Sport. So it has like the black headliner, the newer steering wheel, and yeah, it just looks really, really, really nice, guys. For the most part, the truck is like in mint condition. There's like some things here and there, you know, it's a used truck, but really good condition for the most part. How do you feel?
Good. Something different. It's way different coming from his M5 to X5, but I don't know. I think I like it more. I like the X5 more than the M5.
We've always wanted an X5 though, so that's crazy. Like, just this thing looks so sick. The white with the black. Obviously it needs new wheels. These are cool and all, but I don't really like them. But it's not like a regular white. I think it's called honestly, I don't even...
Pearl white.
Is it pearl white? I think it's pearl white. I don't know the exact.
I think so, because online it said pearl white on it.
No, I don't know the exact color of the name right now. Obviously I can check it, but I don't know right now. If you guys do want a full car tour, we can go ahead and do that for you guys. She'll be doing it for you guys because it's her car, obviously, so I'm gonna just be recording her. No, I'm just kidding. We'll see. But yeah, this is the truck, guys. I don't even know how to feel, to be honest. I don't even know what to say. Just look at this view, guys. This thing looks crazy. So yeah, this will be the new build on the channel alongside the M5. It's a pretty big car payment, so we're not gonna be doing 2 mods as of right now. There's already a few things we've seen online that we would like to do. But yeah, guys, that's just gonna go ahead and end today's video. I just want to say thanks everybody for the support. It's really crazy because once we got to the dealership, the first person who we met actually follows me on YouTube. He's seen my videos and stuff. He has an F10 as well, so it was pretty crazy for me to be recognized at a BMW dealership. I don't know. But yeah, huge shout out to Ricardo, huge shout out to Dave for helping us out. Hopefully you guys do like the car. Hopefully you guys will enjoy the new content coming soon on this thing. And yeah, guys, I don't even know what to say. Now I'm twinning with my friend Dan. But yeah, guys, we're just gonna go ahead and end it right here. If you guys did enjoy today's video, please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you guys think of the truck. I already know a lot of you guys are gonna be congratulating us, so I just want to say thank you right now. Every time I post something new, like the car or like something that goes on or something that happens, something we buy, you guys are always super stoked and excited and show so much love. So yeah, thank you guys so much for that. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna just go ahead and end it right here. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the video once again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.